Hey guys, I've been out here pretty much all day long just trying to sort this paint out because it's in really bad shape. So I put a ceramic coat on it just to try to get a little bit of a shine back into it. And I'm just going to use an old Japanese trick for painting stuff that's coming off and just sticker bomb the spots that are coming apart. My wife had this giant box of Rick and Morty stickers, so I'll use them because they're just going to get destroyed anyway by the driving it around. So, but yeah, these are all the spots where the paint is chipped on it. So I just wanted to stop it from getting worse. Oops, sorry, but yeah, so far everything is going well. I'm waiting to do the rear springs until I get my spacers, because realistically I don't want to set my suspension in the back or finish it in the front for that matter until I get the spacers to push the wheels out, because I want the tops of my rim to be flush with the fender. I don't care if the camber comes out, it don't really bother me much. So basically I need it, we're looking at maybe, I don't know, I guess 20 mil, maybe 25 mil in the back. Front's pretty bad, so I might actually need a bigger one in the front. I mean, I have custom offsets, but in order to custom offset them far enough out, I would have had to pay a lot more money for a much larger barrel, and I just didn't want to do that, really. And the whole goal of this thing is to just build it fucking cheap so that other people can be like, yeah, man, you can have a fun car, and it doesn't have to cost, $1 million. It's not, don't be stupid. So, but yeah, these are the ones going on the back. Mono SS setup. No, those are the old wheels. I still have them, not decided on what to do with them yet. They fit G37s, 370s, and I think like Ultimas maybe, after the 7 series. But, like I said, the guy that had it before me, he didn't really abuse it. It wasn't like a thrash car for him, The interior is actually really clean, except for me driving it and stuff like that, but it's fairly good shape. You can tell it was a lowrider if you look at the dash over there. You can see the cracks in it that go all the way across. That's a lowrider trait. So I'm probably just going to cover the entire dash and these door panels here with Alcantara suede instead. So I think it'll look good, and it's my opinion, and it's the only one that fucking matters with my car. So it kind of goes the same with your cars. It's your opinion. It's the only fucking one that matters. But yeah, so just trying to make it look like my car and not somebody else's. And that pearl does actually work. You can see that like pearl color in the sun. It's actually cool. I'm gonna reshoot it. I mean, paint is the last thing you do on your car, people. Hear me. Last thing. I mean, if you want to change body panels, you want to put rims on it, you want to lower it, you want to test different suspensions, exhaust systems, different wings, just wait until you're done picking out all the stuff you want and then paint it. I also want to get rid of those stupid fucking dark taillights. That is that's just not cool. They don't seem to be too bad, like they do light up, but man, that's just asking for it. Like seriously. Like this already looks like a fucking drug dealer's car. I mean, it probably was a drug dealer's car, but still, not anymore, it's mine. But I don't know, it's not bad. And my wife likes it, so she'll drive it. That makes me happy, because she wouldn't drive my Mustang. She wouldn't have nothing to do about that. But it does shine up nice. The only thing I don't really like, I tried to paint the calipers with the similar color. Don't do that. That's just, they should just be like a bare metal color for the stock Nissan ones, or whatever Nissan had them as. Just don't do that. That's bush league shit. But yeah, they had he had cut the springs on it, which I think is a no-no. But anyway, when I do get the spacers on it, push the wheels out, and then I'm going to finish bringing it down to where I get that nice no finger in there fitment. same thing. Like if I put my finger straight in, my tire is at this height. I just need to bring it out here so that you can't get fingers in there. So that's the whole point. But yeah, I do absolutely love Fitment Industries. I am glad to sport their sticker. I am glad to sport their other sticker as well on the back, custom offsets. They were custom. It's a plus 32, plus 25. I know a lot of guys that are running like deep dish wheels are doing a negative, but when you want a concave, it's a plus. So, well, at least in my case, it was a plus. But yeah, man, those wheels, it's 18 by 9 plus 25, 18 by 10 plus 32, mounted, balanced with Federal 595s, sent to my door for $1,245. And you know, that's fucking Fitment Industries. Just saying. You know, they are the best. But yeah, so it took me about 2 months to figure out what color this actually is. And another painter who saw it was like, I know what color that is because I've done repairs on one. It is 2008 Lamborghini Gallardo Orange Pearl. So if you look that up on Google, you'll kind of see it. Now, the reason why it doesn't look exactly like Lamborghini is because, well, and I know all you painters out there are probably just going to be like, holy fuck. He took, I think it's like $400 some a quart paint, and then he scuffed stock Nissan black and painted over that with no primer, no tint. Because like this color is, I think, is supposed to have like a silver put down, then an orange tint, then the fucking orange flake, then the pearl clear. I'm not a painter, I'm just guessing at it. But there are steps to make it look as deep and rich as it is on the Lamborghini. Why the fuck would you spend that much money on paint only to have it do this because Nissan paint doesn't fucking adhere? There are GTRs rolling around out there over 100 grand, less than 4 years old, with fucking fading clear coat. Nissan has awesome shit. They can do amazing stuff, but there's two things they cannot do to save their fucking lives: traction control and paint. Seriously, folks, Nissan guys, keep the Gaijins out. That's a good start, you know, stay Japanese, and fucking just call Mazda. Mazda's got some killer paint. Call Mazda and just be like, hey man, can we make a deal? You know, maybe last year's colors, whatever it is, you know, Mazda has awesome paint. Just saying. Like, but all in all though, I really fallen in love with this car. I didn't think I would. I mean, my Mustang was like 700 horsepower and fucking straight pipes. And I enjoyed that because I fucking hate this town and most all these people that are in it. This is just, I've lived a few places in Florida in my life, and I've never lived in one where the people were more self-centered and conceited. They absolutely berate fucking kids in the store. They just sneer. And I don't know what they're so fucking uppity about. But I don't know. I used to live in Lake Mary, and that is a very wealthy area here in Florida. And those people in Lake Mary, believe it or not, there might be a few snobs here and there, but they don't treat each other like crap like these people do over here. I don't know what it is about Hillsborough County, but y'all fucking suck. So, but yeah, straight pipes coming for this soon. Maybe straight pipes, I don't know. I might get the Torx and then do the test pipes with a Y pipe or something and just make it loud as fuck. Because, you know, like I said, fuck these people. I found out that if you drive down the road with an obnoxiously loud, annoying car, people tend to move away from you and you get this nice bubble of peace where you drive down the road. Just make sure the bastard drones, because that drives most of these people crazy. But anyway, I like my fair ladies. I'm gonna black out these emblems too, but not the fucking lights. But well, yeah, when I bought this as well, I'm not gonna call him a pinhead. I'm not, because he did take good care of the inside. He painted this piece the same color as this, and it just fucked up the entire body line of this window. That is a design to create a swoop, and you put a block right fuck stack in the middle of it. You know, you might be able to see some of it on the other edge because I'm not all that great at vinyl. But let's see. Yeah, there's a little. You can see it in there. See, he painted it orange. I'm not good at vinyl. I'm gonna get somebody else to, when I get it painted, I'll have them paint that black, or I'll just get some carbon ones or something, because they're pretty cheap. So, but all in all, she's doing it. She's good. I drove her to the dentist appointment today, and she didn't scrape hardly on anything. I don't know how to drive, but I'm just saying, scrape hardly on anything. So, happy me. And before you criticize me on my garage, my old house, and I'll post a picture of my old house, had a 3-car garage with wall-to-wall tools. This is a 1.5-car garage, so all of my tools are stacked here. Some are out in my shed, some are in the junk room. So the next step, as my wife has figured out, is we will fix this house up nice, wait till the market cools down, sell it for a fat profit, go get something out in the fucking woods that has a shop. They can put all my fucking tools back up on the walls. And yeah, get back to doing what I love, building shit. Yeah, I still have that intercooler. Huh, good. I thought I got rid of that. Anybody needs like a big ass diesel intercooler, let me know. Yeah, I'm in Apollo Beach, Florida, so I can work out something. I'll make a deal. It's dirt cheap, like I said. You can fucking have it. So, and I'm still deciding on those wheels because I think they fit my wife's Escape, and that's actually like a Euro style wheel. That's a Euro style fucking SUV, but that actually was designed in England. I think England. Those are 20s. That size right there that she's got, I have like racing tire, well not racing tires, but like wet track tires. They're Cooper Sport RS3 Xenons. They get flat spots because they're soft when it sits, but it sticks like glue. So oddly enough, these things do too. But now you can see how badly it was riding camber when I got it. So this is a, there we go, front tires. Oh yeah, that's a front tire. You can see the driving around on that. And I believe this was the other front tire because he didn't cut the springs to the same size, which means the front was like a bit, you know, not enough for the human eye to pick up, but certainly enough for the weight to do that, to do that mismatch. The rear tires, on the other hand, were fairly unscathed because I immediately put these Godspeed Traction Sport springs, which I took back off, I'm taking back off again because I'm putting those on. So I'll have a spare set there, which will also fit G37s, 370s. I don't know if it'll fit a 350 or not. I've not been under one, so that's something that somebody will have to look up. But all right, I'll stop fucking talking shit and carrying this camera around like a mook. Catch you guys later.